a VSR camlock. This is the 2-row version. With this cool sample key, which is quite nice. And my 3D printed travel vise, because I couldn't be bothered to move it into the big one. I'm going to go in with fairly heavy tension to start with and just kind of work on the obvious binders. We want the heavy tension just to kind of, one, make the binders more obvious, and two, stop us accidentally oversetting stuff as we are moving the pick through there. I'm going to do a mixture of having the flag going from the top of the keyway down and from bottom of the keyway up. So you'll see me changing the flag position around quite a bit. Yeah, and using the left and right different multi-pick flags for getting on different pins. Give that one a go, and then for tension I'm using a 2mm, this is Moki pry bar from his earlier sets where yeah, he didn't have the serrated bit on it, so this is one of his really early turning tools. Just tells you how long I've been using Moki's picks and other tools for. We're somewhere fairly close, hopefully. Hopefully I have not overset something. Well, so we're just going to pulse tension a little bit. There we go. Something dropped, and now I've got an even deeper false set, which is quite nice. So, let's see if we can't find what we're stuck on in here. Both of these flags. I think we're at a point where we're probably stuck on one pin, which is always kind of annoying. Nice click out of that one. Is it this one? Not sure if it's a pin or not, so we're going to force it and see what happens. Oh, we overset that. There we go, we can drop that again, that's fairly easy to drop. Okay, I'll click out of that one at the back. Another little click. Nice bit of core movement. The left side is pretty much set. Let's try the right side. Nice bit of core movement on that one. Yeah, when you're picking these, you really need to treat them like they're tapered and just keep revisiting each pin. Still getting little clicks and things out of the left side now. We get the pins from different angles helps as well. There we go. I'm open. So that will now turn freely. Lock it back up and take a look at it. I'm not going to gut it. Yeah, I refuse to gut high-pin cam locks. Especially blue belt ones, and I'm not doing any belt submissions or anything with them. But yeah, that's a 2-row VSR cam lock with the sample stamped on the key.